I'm Craig Harvey, Business Development Director.
And I'm Karina Kensis, Regional Territory Manager with VS America, and we're here with our Series 800 storage collection. Series 800 is a laminate case good collection that literally has dozens upon dozens of applications as well as specifications and configurations. Some of the applications can include libraries and media centers, classrooms, admin areas, science labs. Some of the specifications that we offer are shelves, cabinets, wardrobes with hooks, cubbies, literature storage and display, mail slots in admin areas. Some of the specifications are 4 different pull types, 2 locking mechanisms, keyed as well as combination. For hinges, we offer exposed as well as non-exposed, finished kick plate versus not, finished surface versus not, as well as a finished back versus not. Each unit comes fully assembled, so installation is a breeze and saves you time as well as money. As I mentioned, this is a furniture collection, so while it looks like millwork as a finished product, the benefit to you is that because it's furniture, it's that much easier to be able to reconfigure in the future or remove altogether if your needs change. Please visit our website for more information.